Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are you looking for a free website to get free vector illustrations for your design? Well, watch this video to the end to find out more. Now, the first website I'm going to talk about is storyset.com. Here you can get and customize free vector illustrations for your next design. Now over here you can see there are a lot of vector illustrations to choose from depending on the type of design you're working with. Now let me just click on one to show you how this great site really works. Okay, I've chosen this. Now let's say you want to change the color. You can just scroll down and change the color easily. Any color of your choice. And what if you want to change like the girl's hair or the boy's hair and other little details? Well, you can actually do that by downloading the SVG file, and on my next video I'm going to show you exactly how to edit SVG file on your mobile device. So for now, I'm showing you sites that you can get free illustrations for your design. So watch out for that. Now I'm going to download the SVG file which we are going to use for our next tutorial. Now the next site I'm going to talk about is Android.co. Android.co basically focuses on flat illustrations, and all you have to do when you are on the site is to click on browse now, and they're going to show you their available illustrations depending on what you are working on. As you can see over here, they do not really allow you to edit the color, but like I said earlier, you can easily edit the color by editing the SVG, which I'm going to talk about that in my next video, so watch out for that. And let me download the SVG, and you can also download the PNG you use for your design also. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome tutorials. See you in my next video. Bye for now.